And Ontario lifted capacity limits in some indoor public spaces, including restaurants, gyms, and cinemas. Here's April Masongsong from our EBC Canada Bureau.
This week in Ontario, all capacity restrictions are lifted and vaccination requirements are now removed. As of Tuesday, March 1st, proof of vaccination is no longer required at most Ontario establishments like restaurants, cinemas, and gyms. Capacity limits are also lifted on social gathering sizes. Premier Doug Ford says that requiring proof of vaccination has always been a time-limited restriction. COVID cases and hospitalizations have fallen since January, though PCR testing has also been limited. Some establishments, like the Toronto Zoo, have chosen to keep vaccination requirements and masking policy, regardless of the province lifting these restrictions. At a press conference earlier this week, the Premier has mentioned that the province isn't far from dropping the province-wide mask mandate. The Children's Health Coalition, a collective of children's health organizations in Ontario, have released a statement as a response to this possibility. For now, let's ensure kids remain as healthy as they can in schools by keeping masks on. Masking in indoor school settings protects children and their families. As soon as the evidence suggests otherwise, then alternatives can be considered. Opposition party the Ontario NDP says that vaccine certificates keep all Ontarians safe, and that by framing them as restrictions, Ford is sending a dangerous signal that appeases a small minority of anti-vaxxers and occupiers. April Masongsong, Eagle News, Toronto.